Hi friends! A catchy thumbnail is the key element in attracting viewers to your YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to draw a catchy thumbnail, catchy cartoonistic thumbnail using a reference image.
I use my favorite drawing app, Procreate, to make this beautiful thumbnail. I use my own image in which I am wearing a snake skin in my neck. Yeah. So I start by taking the reference image into Procreate and drawing over that. And I start with the skin, the eyes, the nose, the eyebrows, the mouth, everything. And then I go to the hair, which is tied into a ponytail. And then the shirt. And the hands were one of the things I struggled the most, because when I drew it, it looked a lot thicker than in the image. And yeah, that's where I struggled. This is my right hand, and now I'm drawing the left hand. And then I drew the snake. That's I just converted my snake skin into a snake, a live snake. And I drew that, and I just colored the background blue, and then I put a gradient, and then I added the text, "Why do snakes shed their skin?" And that's all. Now we have a really catchy thumbnail for our YouTube videos. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Chirpy. Bye!